Long ago, in the shimmering deserts of Persia, there lived a wise and brave princess named Shaherzad, known for her endless tales that could enchant even the coldest of hearts. She was beloved by her people, but beyond her storytelling, Princess Shaherzad had a loyal companion, a magnificent golden camel named Zahra. Zahra was no ordinary camel. Her coat gleamed like the desert sun, and her eyes sparkled with ancient wisdom. Legend said she was a gift from the Djinn, blessed with the ability to find hidden oases and sense danger before it arrived. One day, a terrible sandstorm swept across the kingdom, burying villages and cutting off trade routes. The Sultan, Shaherzad's father, grew desperate. Without water, the people would perish. Princess Shaherzad mounted Zahra and whispered, "Take me where the water hides." Zahra's golden hooves glowed as she raced across the dunes, guided by an unseen magic. For 3 days and nights, they journeyed, facing scorpions, mirages, and the whispers of desert spirits. Finally, Zahra stopped at a barren rock formation. Shaherzad dismounted, confused, until Zahra stamped her hoof, and the ground trembled. Beneath the sand, a hidden spring bubbled to life, its waters clear and cool. The kingdom was saved. The Sultan declared Zahra a royal treasure, and Shaherzad told the tale of their adventure for generations. From that day on, whenever the desert winds howled, children would say, "Princess Shaherzad and Zahra are riding again, protecting us all." And so, the legend of the princess and her golden camel lived on, forever woven into the sands of time.